I an idiot?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Wow, no holding back.
Hi guys!
What's up, everybody?
Hey.
Welcome back to our channel. Before we get into today's video, if you just want to take a quick little minute and hit that red subscribe button somewhere down around here. Thank you.
Throw us a big like as well if you want.
Really helps out our channel, we appreciate it.
It does. Every little bit counts, so thank you guys so much. Today we are going to try the famous Tim Hortons TimBit Cereal. That was quite the intro. It's brand new.
Yeah, it's really new. I don't know, within the last couple of weeks for sure.
But let's just start by saying, those of you who don't know what Tim Hortons is, just consider it to be like Dunkin' Donuts.
It is.
Canada's Dunkin' Donuts.
Canada's exactly
Dunkin'
what it is,
Donuts.
yeah.
And we have what you guys call donut holes, we call them TimBits. So basically just the little centers of the donuts. And we call them TimBits. So they've turned two of the most popular flavors, chocolate glaze and birthday cake, into cereal form.
Am I an idiot?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Wow, no holding back.
Do they actually have birthday cake
Oh, they
TimBits?
so do. It has the little
Do they?
sprinkles on it.
Oh,
They're
okay.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh man. When I get TimBits, I stick with chocolate and honey glaze usually.
Chocolate glazed honey dip, that's it.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
the thing. The only people I know that like the birthday cake flavored TimBits is my niece and my nephew, and they're 2 and 3.
They don't count.
And so I just steal it from them because everybody else I'm with just goes with chocolate and honey glaze.
They're real
Chocolate,
flavors.
that's the good one.
So, which one do you guys want to start first?
Ladies first, you pick. I'm easy.
Let's do some ghetto de fête.
Let's get that one over with.
Aw, you
I'm
guys.
looking forward to this one.
Alright, we'll move that one to the side.
Okay.
This is the birthday cake, so basically it's like a vanilla with a bunch of sprinkles on it. We'll pour some into the. Ooh, they're like little baby. They're like the size of what, corn pops, do you think?
They look like
They
corn
actually
pops.
look like corn puffs,
Yeah.
don't they? From
Yeah.
what I remember.
So they're like just little Smarties or M&Ms or something inside.
No, they're like corn pop size.
Oh, I've never had corn pops, so I don't really know. Your turn.
You were deprived growing up of sugary cereals, weren't you?
I was. Well, you gotta put some in a bowl to try it.
Oh yeah, I gotta try this one too.
It's like, I'm not the only
I
one.
really just want the chocolate ones. These ones I'm kind of meh.
Come on.
Alright.
Who doesn't like birthday cake?
Oh, that's too many. I don't want to waste them.
Here, just do like this.
Yeah, just throw some in here.
Because I'm gonna be honest, I don't want to waste any of this, so I'm probably gonna eat this for breakfast tomorrow.
That's the plan.
Milk, please.
Oh yeah, need a little milk.
Milk.
After cereal always, in my books. What do you guys say?
I
Yeah.
always pour milk second.
Because then you know
Cereal
how
first,
much.
milk second.
Then you know how much milk. Because some people like it swimming in milk, and some people just like it
Yeah.
so you can kind of tell.
But you can't judge until you have the cereal
I'm
cereal in the bowl.
I used to get in trouble for not finishing the milk in my bowl after I was done the cereal.
That's the best part.
My dad would drink the milk and he would get mad at me for not doing the same thing. I was like, hey, it's gross.
Yeah, but that was good though.
It's always the milk. I get the
So
milk out of the way.
birthday cake TimBit cereal. I think I can smell it. It smells vanilla-y, and there's little sprinkles on it. I don't think they're actual sprinkles, but they just look like sprinkles.
Alright.
Okay, Eric's like, hurry up, let's eat this. I want the chocolate.
No, I'm curious what it tastes like with milk. I'm gonna try one without milk after as well.
Okay,
Just
we'll
to
do
see.
that.
Alright, here
ready?
we go. Down
Yeah.
the hatch.
Cheers! Mmm. It tastes like the donut.
It actually tastes like a donut.
Yeah,
It tastes exactly like the birthday cake TimBit.
it's really sugary, yeah.
Oh man, that's
super sugary.
it. Really tastes like super
And
sugary.
the texture, they're crunchy. They remind me of a corn pop from what I remember. I haven't had a corn pop in
20 years.
probably 30.
These
Yeah,
are
35. I'm old.
We're only 25.
Yeah, see, shut up. You're old, I'm not.
But yeah, I haven't. But
They're so good. They're way better than I thought they would be. Has anybody tried the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup cereal? Or Reese Puff? Bleh. Not good. Doesn't taste anything like a Reese cup. This tastes like a donut.
Yeah, it actually tastes like the birthday cake donuts.
But you said you've never had one before.
Well, I lied. I've had one.
it tastes like a donut.
It's like a vanilla cake, but it tastes like what?
Yeah, it does. It tastes. You can taste like the vanilla, almost like vanilla icing.
I
Yeah.
give this If you can get past the sugar, I mean, you guys do you, feed whoever you want this, but I think it's just like a nice sugary sweet.
Although the texture's kind of gross now that the outside's wet. They're
Yeah,
kind of getting that sogginess.
I'll get soggy cereal.
Yeah.
Different ways of getting soggy. This is kind of a gross soggy, I think.
I give it 2 thumbs up. What do you think, you guys?
I'll confirm this tastes totally like birthday cake TimBits, but I wouldn't buy it. I'm not a big fan of birthday cake TimBits, so the cereal tastes like them, and I don't want it.
Do you guys want to try one without milk?
Sure. What do I think? Thank you for asking, Kelly.
I thought he already answered, okay?
I would give them a thumbs up because they do taste like our TimBit, like they taste like cake, but I don't think I would buy them. I don't like the...
I don't know if I'd buy them. I mean, we got these on sale for $2.99. They're regular like $4.99 or something. What I pay for, I don't buy cereal anyway, so $2.99 was a good deal for me. I mean, I'm gonna be honest, this box is probably gonna sit in my house for a couple months. I might just
nibble at it?
have
Unless
a
they
nibble
taste
here and
better
there.
without milk, then eat them
But
just as is.
We're
I
about
think
to find out.
I am surprisingly happy about how close this tastes.
Yeah.
Ready?
It definitely tastes like a birthday cake. All right, try.
I like it better with milk.
Better with milk.
Yeah.
There's like no taste without the milk.
The milk brings out the flavor.
It does. That's
Yeah,
so
that's
weird.
weird.
Like it literally tastes like cardboard.
Yeah, this has like almost no taste.
Yeah, that's weird.
That is so
So grab
weird.
a couple more. and
I don't know
see.
what kind of like witchcraft this is, but the milk brings out the flavor.
Like a lot. Like I said, this literally tastes like cardboard.
This is weird.
See, he's eating more, Mister. I'm
No.
not gonna like this.
I'm just proving flavor. So yeah, this has
Yeah, it's
flavor
weird.
of the milk.
Yeah.
No, but totally like, if you're gonna eat this cereal, I think it's a unanimous opinion, but it has to be with milk. If you just
Yeah.
taste it without milk, you're not gonna like
This
it.
is not a dry cereal treat.
But you can almost taste it now. Like, it's like the outside is coated in whatever flavoring, and it's like melting. Because the outside of these is really like soft, I find, but it's
Yeah.
still crunchy in the middle.
Yeah. They did a good
But it's really
job.
gross now. I don't like the sogginess of them. I
But
like
all
the
cereal
texture.
gets soggy, no?
They
Yeah.
do, but this one feels more like
I still think
mushy,
it's
I don't know.
pretty crunchy.
Okay.
But I think that this is a really good replication of the Tim Hortons birthday cake. Tim Hortons birthday cake TimBit. Say that 5 times fast.
Bit of a tongue twister.
it is for sure.
I'm impressed.
Yeah, no, 100%. This tastes like birthday cake.
Yeah.
Cool.
So the taste is right, but again, for me, I just don't like the texture of it now. It's kind of getting a little bit.
And just in case anybody wanted to know, there is 30 grams of carbohydrates in here for 1 cup serving.
Nobody wanted to know that.
Ah.
There's a lot
Hey,
of carbs.
I'm keeping it real. But you know what? I think all sugar or all cereal
Well,
is pretty.
Yeah. If you're looking for healthy cereal, it isn't a
Yeah.
birthday cake TimBit flavor
All right.
cereal.
It's like your grandma's cereal.
Chocolate glazed.
Let's
All right.
do it.
We gotta get new bowls.
Chocolate glaze. We gotta freshen up our bowls.
We'll be right. We are back. We are back. Clean bowls.
That's right.
Clean bowls, chocolate glazed TimBits coming up.
Ooh, this is gonna be good.
Do we try it with the milk
Oh,
first,
wait.
like the last one?
Yeah, do this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, these look like. Do you remember what?
Cocoa Puffs?
Yes, I was gonna say Pebbles, but I meant the Cocoa Puffs.
They look like Cocoa Puffs.
They do. They kind of look like little
sorry.
things of dog poop, but
Oh, good.
Yummy.
they. Ooh. Oh, it smells like the donut. The chocolate. You guys, I'm so excited.
Mmm. It does smell like chocolate donuts.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Remember that old SNL skit with Jim Belushi? Where he's little chocolate donuts to help train for the Olympics?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I can just smell from the
I
box.
know.
Little chocolate donuts.
Milk,
Breakfast of
please.
champions. Oh yeah, milk.
Eric, you got one job. Eric's rusty. He's been gone for too long. Okay, I'm just gonna do a little bit of milk.
Okay. A little milk in here.
You want to pour mine for me, Kel, so I can get a shot of that as well?
Is that good?
Yep. Thank you.
Okay.
Wow, all I smell is chocolate.
It smells so
No.
freaking good.
Hopefully it tastes as good as it smells.
Okay,
Here we go.
ready?
Yep.
Cheers. I think it missed its mark.
Yeah, this doesn't taste like TimBits.
It tastes like Cocoa Puffs.
It's weird.
Like
Yeah.
literally Cocoa Puffs.
I'm just curious to see. I'm gonna give it a second, see if
Maybe more
let the
milk.
milk get in there and see if it
But it tastes like
brings the
Cocoa
flavor
Puffs.
out.
Last time the milk activated the flavor, like Steve was just saying.
Okay.
Let's take a
Yeah.
look.
I don't remember what cocoa.
But it has a cocoa taste, not a chocolate taste.
I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah.
I never had Cocoa Puffs in my life.
I'd imagine this is what they tasted like.
Probably.
Yeah, because
I've
Cocoa...
also never had Cocoa Pebbles.
Well, because it has the cocoa-y taste, not a chocolate taste. Okay, yes, I know cocoa chocolate, whatever, but like it doesn't have the milk chocolatey.
Yeah.
All right, a little more milk here.
Yeah, I don't know. This missed the mark. I'm
Yeah.
sad on this one.
Yeah.
It smells 100 times better than it tastes.
Yeah. Well, that's the thing. Like, just smell it off the box. It's like, ooh, all you smell is chocolate, but
It doesn't taste like chocolate at all.
Mhm.
no. Try some more. Like it's.
Do you guys want to try one without milk? See
Try
if-
a dry one. See
Yeah.
if it's better.
Oh, yeah. It's weird.
Yeah, smelling it, I'm like, okay, this
smells
like
like
a,
the donut.
a chocolate Timbit.
The chocolate glaze, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. You know what it smells like? It's almost like it smells like hot chocolate when you open it up, and it's still.
And it tastes worse without milk. Tastes like
Yeah.
cardboard. There's no flavor.
There's no flavor. You have to definitely
Yeah.
have to add milk to just get the flavor out of them.
There's
Yeah.
more flavor with the milk, but it's still, again, I wouldn't say it tastes bad, but it doesn't taste like a chocolate Timbit.
No, it does not taste like a chocolate glaze.
Like that
Timbit at all.
birthday cake was like spot on to what a birthday cake Timbit tastes like.
Yeah.
That, not.
It's not as well, not at all.
I said it's not gross, it's just,
Not good.
Yeah.
Not great.
like I probably will just donate that box to somebody in my family. 'Cause I'm
It
not
feels
eating
like the taste is coming out a little bit
Is
more
it?
now, but I don't.
Does
It
sit
still
in the
tastes
milk
like.
more?
It kind of like it reminds me of like almost like if you were to eat like the powdered hot chocolate bites, like just as powder. That's
Yeah,
what this reminds me
I
of
can see
almost.
that.
I think it's missing the glazed part.
Oh,
The-
Yeah, I like the birthday cake ones better.
I like real Timbits better.
yeah, definitely. Real temperature the way to go. We should put those in milk and see what happens.
That's a great idea. Let's do that next time.
Yeah, why did they have to go make actual TimBit cereal? Just get TimBits, put it in milk, and
Yeah, drop some Timbits in a box and put them in the
Yeah.
grocery store. There we go.
I'll have to try that.
But I mean, I would probably give this one a thumbs down just because it doesn't taste like the TimBit chocolate. They missed the mark.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like chocolate Timbits. It doesn't taste that great, honestly. This one's total thumbs down for me.
Yeah, thumbs down. Taste isn't good. It's, I wish I had my $2.99 back.
I'm shocked because I thought that after tasting that one, this was just gonna be next level because the chocolate. Who doesn't like chocolate glazed donut?
Whenever you get like a box of Timbits, the chocolate ones are always the first to go.
They
Yeah.
are. So
Yeah.
I was like, this is like no. I'm actually shocked at the result.
Well, especially considering how much that tasted like birthday cake,
Yeah.
and how much this one smells like
Like
chocolate. Like, oh man, like
It
it's actually
smells
really
so
strong.
good, but it tastes not
But
like us.
the smell does not match the taste in this bowl at all.
Yeah, so thumbs down Tim Hortons for this one. Sorry, Post. Is that who made it? Post?
Toast, yeah.
You missed the mark on the chocolate. Stick with the birthday cake. You did good on that one.
Yeah, if you're gonna buy a TimBits flavored donuts cereal,
Go
as
for
much
the
as it
birthday
pains me to
cake.
say it, buy the birthday cake.
Yeah, this one, if you're a chocolate lover, you'll just be disappointed.
Yeah, or you can just smell the box all day and leave it out a lot.
But that's it, guys. Another one of our videos is in the can. We're done.
That's it.
We survived.
We did it. We
Made
didn't
it.
die.
Yay!
Yeah.
3 in, 3 out. Can't get much better than that.
So thank you guys so much for watching.
Don't forget, give this video a big thumbs up. Let us know you liked it. Hit that bell down below for notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Do it now. Hit the bell.
Comment down below. We love reading comments for you guys. And hey, why not click one of our other videos over here? Most recent vid here. A vid just selected just for you right here. Click it. Try it. You'll like it. Trust me.
A little YouTube and chill.
Come on, let's go.
Thanks, guys.
Here
We'll
all
see.
night. Don't forget to tip your waiter.
Thanks, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.